this app, we send a welcome email. We give it to them in their tenant orientation document, and they have a link to a web form. So what they do, they just go there. It's like any kind of form that you fill out on a website, and it comes in here right now. So these are where our maintenance requests go. Links it to the tenant, unit, inventory, and this is what they've filled out as well. So they're actually selecting their name, selecting the unit, and everything like that. Fuse box, when did this happen? Is it an immediate threat? They can add pictures. The date gets filled in, and it always comes in as a new request, and we take it down our process here. The main feature that we use here is to send auto notifications to tenant and contractor. So once we've set the time and we've said, okay, tenant, what are there any times within the next 48 hours you would not be able to do this? They tell us our times. We get with the contractor. Then we'll enter that in. Contractor working this, scheduled appointment time. And when we click that, it's going to send the contractor's information. It's going to send the contractor the property information, the maintenance request, and the tenant's information. And we just mark these based on the stage, and we follow up until they're done.